In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resend a Google Calendar invite. If you've ever found yourself needing to ensure that a guest has the latest details about an important meeting, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how you can accomplish this task smoothly and quickly. First, you'll need to head over to your Google Calendar on your computer. Unfortunately, this particular feature is not accessible via mobile devices, so a desktop or laptop will be necessary. Once logged in, find and click on the specific event for which you wish to resend the invitation. After selecting the correct event, look for the pencil icon, which represents the edit option. Clicking this will allow you to make changes to the event details. In the editing view, direct your attention to the section labeled Guests. This area lists all the individuals you've invited to your event. To resend the invitation, you'll first need to remove the guest you intend to send a new invitation to. Simply find their name and click the tiny symbol next to it. This action ensures they are taken off the guest list temporarily. After removing the guest, hit the Save button. Immediately following this action, you'll be prompted to send an update regarding the changes made to the event. Select Send Update to notify the remaining guests of this adjustment. Don't worry, this isn't the end of the process. What you're doing here is setting up a clean slate to re-add the guest correctly. Once the initial step is complete, you'll be brought back to the main calendar view. Reopen the event you've just been working on and navigate back to the guest list. Here, you'll re-add the individual by typing their email address into the guest field. After entering their details, press Save once more. Google Calendar will then prompt you again with a Send option. Confirm by clicking this to send out a new invitation. By this point, the removed guest will receive a brand new invitation email fresh with all the event details. This process ensures that the invitation doesn't get lost in their inbox and they have the most updated information regarding your event. It's a straightforward workaround that effectively reissues an invitation for any Google Calendar event. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage your event invites and ensure that every guest has the correct details. Remember, technology is here to make our lives easier, and understanding these little tricks can save you time and stress in the future. Feel free to revisit this tutorial whenever you need a quick refresher on resending Google Calendar invites.